Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time on your Mitsubishi Outlander. First, find the settings or menu button on your infotainment screen. This is usually a gear icon or a text label. Once you're in the main menu, look for the clock or date/time option. This will lead you to the specific controls for adjusting your vehicle's clock. Let's get started. After selecting set time, you'll typically see options to adjust the hours and minutes. Use the on-screen up and down arrows to change the hour. Make sure you select the correct AM or PM if your system uses a 12-hour format. Once the hour is set, move to the minutes. Again, use the arrows to fine-tune the minute setting until it matches the current time. It's quite straightforward.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh, whether you're on the go or just organizing your fridge. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Many Outlander models also allow you to customize the time and date format. You can usually switch between a 12-hour and a 24-hour clock display, depending on your preference. Additionally, you might be able to choose how the date is shown, like month, day, year, or day, month, year. Don't forget to check your time zone settings to ensure accuracy, especially if you've traveled recently. Once you've made all your adjustments for the hour, minutes, and any format preferences, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for an OK, Apply, or Save button on the screen. Tapping this will lock in your new settings. After saving, take a moment to double-check that the time displayed on your Outlander's clock is now perfectly accurate. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.